welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and I got to tell you, a few months ago, the MeatStick, they reached out to me to test their product out. I tested their product, I love their product, I used it a whole bunch, and they invited me to be an ambassador for them. And I gotta admit, I've been a bad ambassador for the last month or two. I haven't used the MeatStick. I haven't done any cooks like that. You know, still kind of the end of winter, beginning of spring. And trust me, I will be using the MeatStick again. I really do enjoy using it. And one of the benefits of being an ambassador is, you know, they let you test out their products. There's no monetary value except the price of their products that I get to test for them. And they did send me a lot. I have two of the MeatStick X's and I love them. And they did send me a MeatStick Mini. They also sent me the Wi-Fi Bridge, and this just plugs into a USB for power. You can use one of those little power bricks if you have one to put it outside. My outlet actually has the USB, so it works out great. I just set it there. You connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you can, being on Wi-Fi, you can leave the house and still check the temperature of your MeatStick if you want. So I will be doing a test on this. I will be using this Mini. I haven't done it yet. Like I said, I've been a bad ambassador so far. Ever since you know, they invited me, I just got busy. You know how life goes. And anyway, I will be using it. I'm not doing a cook, but I want you to check out all these cooks I've done with the MeatStick X. It really takes your cooking to a new level. It gets your internal temperatures to the perfect temp. It's like fail-proof. You put it in, you watch that temp. When it hits the temp, pull it off. If you cut into it, you're gonna see that it turns out perfect. Done, juicy, tender, everything. So anyway, check out all these cooks. There you go. So be on the lookout. I will be testing this Mini. You can actually deep fry with these things too, the X or this. And I'll be testing the Wi-Fi Bridge. I'll leave the house. We'll make sure we can still see it once we're away from the house. And pretty cool. They've got some great products. If you're interested in a wireless thermometer, I've got a link below, and you can click on that to purchase it. It is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any extra. And anyway, appreciate you checking this out, and I hope you have a great day.